Hi, I'm Colleen, the Education Director for the Verde Salon Group. Today I'm going to show you how to do a loose, beautiful Hollywood Glam style wave using a flat iron. You can also use a curling iron or a wand, whatever you're most comfortable with. You'll curl all your hair one way and then brush it out, revealing this beautiful soft curl. I hope you enjoy. So before I use any hot tools in my hair, I always use the Verde Heat Relief. So it's a heat protector, protects your hair up to 450 degrees, and it's also a dry conditioning mist, and it has our shampoo aroma, which is just beautiful. So I mist it throughout all my hair, and then using the Verde paddle brush, I'm gonna comb it through. So all of these Verde products are available at verdesalon.ca right now. We deliver over $50, or you can pick up at either one of our Bridgewater or Seasons locations. You can also pick up at the AAW school in the Exchange. So let's split it into a few different sections. Usually I do I should say 3 to 4 sections. You might do 2 to 3 sections. I have a lot of hair. So here we go. Section 1. And I'm not getting too crazy because I am going to be brushing it out afterwards. So I'm starting, keeping my curling iron vertical, and I'm starting at the base, giving it one twist, holding the ends, and then pulling it all the way to the end. It's okay if you get a little extra hair caught in there, and letting it go. There's curl 1. Don't brush it out before you go on to the next curl. Let it cool, and then we'll brush it out afterwards. You can see my little pokies coming out from underneath, so I had an undercut for a while. It's growing back, so now I just have this cute little, it's not cute actually, I don't know what I call it. So again, this side I'm going to be curling towards the face. Again, turn, and pull straight out, and let it stay. Okay, so my hair looks a little crazy. It's kind of the moment of truth, but I'm gonna spray in a little bit more air control. I'm gonna spray in some of the Shampure Dry Shampoo, which is unbelievable. It's non-aerosol, which is my favorite, and also has a Shampure aroma. Tilt it upside down, and it sprays out. So little sprays everywhere. And then, I'm gonna scare some of you with this, we're gonna comb through. Okay, I'm gonna take some light elements. It's called texturizing cream. It's great for all hair types. It's really light. Helps either give like a piecey finish, or like my ends are a little bit dry, so I want to make them look nice and healthy. So between my hands. What do you think? So if I want to glam this up even more, I'm going to use a Birch Accessories clip, which is available on birchaccessories.ca. This is the Charlotte clip. You can dress it up, dress it down, which is why I absolutely love it. It holds hair really well, whether you have fine hair or super thick hair. So I'm going to clip this off here. So I think I'd like the thinner section, the finer section, to go behind my ear. Take the Charlotte clip. There, so I just tied it behind slightly. It just gives like a nice little extra bling. And I'll also take some before and after pictures so you can see it from every angle. Thanks for watching.